Hey guys, welcome back once again to Vicky's Tube IQ. Yes, I know we've been MIA, we've been missing in action because you know why? I've been on my other channel trying to grow it, and finally, after so many years of hustle and bustle, we finally got monetized. Yay! Drum rolling. So I had to take a break right here on Vicky's Tube IQ to go on my other channel to build it to monetization, and it did happen by the special grace of God, and that's going to be story for another day, right? But today I felt like, why not come back and give back to this audience, give back to this community, because there are so many people who were like me when I was struggling to meet the threshold on YouTube. And in case you don't know, you are just starting off, or you intend starting off YouTube, you're just seeing this face for the first time. Hi, this is Vicky's Tube IQ. And I have another channel by name Chivik Inspirations, where I do a different thing altogether. I don't want to match or bring them together, but here on this platform I want to first and foremost tell you that there is a new update here, that aside monetization, YouTube tips and tricks, just like I planned out, I will definitely time to time bring out lifestyle vlogs here. Not really my lifestyle, not just my personal lifestyle, but the lifestyle of life in Port Harcourt, life in Nigeria, life in West Africa, life in Africa generally. A place where I can just come out, show myself, talk, feel free, feel at home, show you guys what I feel like I need you to see and know more about me, more about my personal life behind the scenes. So first off, that's the new update. Secondly, I will definitely tell you every tips, every details, every tea. In fact, there's no gatekeeping here on how to get monetized right here on this platform, because I know the struggle and I know the hassle, the pain, the stress, the sleepless nights, the money, the electricity. In fact, every challenge you think of when it comes to content creation and getting monetized here on YouTube. I know, I've been there, I've done that, and that's why I feel like I would definitely come back here weekly to give back every tips, every information, every idea. I'm definitely going to hold you by the hand and walk you through that path and expose to you how much I make here on YouTube, because I know that is what most of you want to hear. How you get your watch hour, how you get to get views on your channel, right? And in case you want to know about my other channel, I'm definitely going to link my channel link here so that you go check out what I'm doing there for better understanding, right? And definitely you will get a proper understanding as well, and you will truly believe what I'm talking about. YouTube is real. YouTube pays. It pays not when you are unserious. It pays when definitely you are prepared, you are ready, you are resilient, you are very, very serious with the platform, because the platform is all about people who are serious, not just people who want to get rich quick. This is not a get rich quick platform. It's not like any other get rich quick scheme, right? I needed to put this out so that you get a proper understanding of where you are at. So what else? YouTube definitely is one platform that if you put in the work and do the right thing, you're not just definitely going to meet your threshold, but you will continuously grow. So it's like different strokes for different folks. First off, you ask yourself, what am I doing here on YouTube? What do I want to do here on YouTube? Or coming here on YouTube, what do I really want to do? Who am I? What audience do I want to build, right? And it is not just about what you like, but definitely about what your audience will love. So building your channel, gaining your subscribers, gaining your watch hour is not all about you, even though it has to do with you. I need you to understand this very well, but it has to do with what your audience wants, and that is first of all taking us back to the basics, which is what your analytics. Your analytics is what tells you more about, in the sense that it shows you how long your viewers, your subscribers watch your video. It shows you how much they like your videos. It shows you the view count and how well your video does or did at the end of the day. In a nutshell, that's what your analytics is all about, and that is what really tells you if your channel is doing well or not. So how do you get your watch hour? How do you get people to watch your video, which is the main goal of every YouTuber, every content creator? Because the most boring and frustrating part of content creation is when you make these videos and there are nobody or people are not watching your videos. You feel very dissatisfied, you feel very frustrated, and you want to give up. One sentence, I'm going to tell you that gaining your subscriber, meeting your threshold, and yes, before you get monetized, you must meet your threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. It's difficult, right? Sounds serious, sounds very difficult, but no, it is not as difficult as you think. It's workable, it's achievable. So having known that you need your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, the next question is, how do I achieve that? How do I get it? It's nothing but pay attention to what your audience wants. Knowing the right set of people you want to build your content for, you want to build your channel with, right? Do they really engage? Do they really like my videos? How many minutes do they watch my video? Does my video even get views? If my videos are not getting views, what do I do to help or make my videos get views or make more people watch my videos? These are the questions that you should ask and answer by solving it. First of all, if you're just starting off from the first 1 month to 6 months, try out like 3 niches. What is a niche? A niche is the topic, the kind of topic or videos you make here on YouTube. Know the kind of niche. Definitely make 3 niches or make videos around 3 niches, right? Maybe it can be tutorials, it can be lifestyle, it can be reaction or what have you. Now, amongst these 3 videos, when posted, well edited, well filmed, thumbnail on point, everything on point. Now, the next thing is, amongst these 3 videos, which one has the highest view? And why is it that people watched it? Because they like it. Now, continuously and constantly repeat similar kind of videos daily or constantly upgrading and improving in everything that a video is worth presenting, right? And the more you keep doing that consistently, because like I will always say, one thing about YouTube is consistency. The more you keep putting out those kind of videos that your audience like, the more they will watch, the more they will appreciate you, the more they will subscribe. And by watching and watching at length, you're building your watch hour, you're building your views, you're building your subscription, and definitely slow and steady, not in a hurry, you will get to that threshold and you definitely get monetized, right? So pay attention in a nutshell to what your audience, to what your subscribers or what people really want on the platform, right? Not just what you want, because when you dwell so much on what you want and you put them out there and people are not watching, it's very frustrating, it's very painful, and it's very discouraging. And that is not what we want here, because we know what it takes to put out videos, we know what it takes to create content, come up with content ideas. And guys, that is not an easy job. Content creation is not easy, but it's the smartest and better way in a nutshell to make it or make money, right? It's just like a passive income. You're sleeping and your videos are making money for you. Your ideas, your knowledge is creating and making money for you. What other ways are better off than getting or making your money? Tell me. So I know that's one thing that interests everybody, because when you're putting in the work, you expect to get a reward in return in terms of money. Nobody on YouTube or on the social media platform comes here just for the sake of creating content for free. They don't want to get paid or rewarded. It's a lie, a very fat lie. Every content creator definitely wants to get something in return, which is what the reward for money. And YouTube is one platform that I can beat my chest to tell you that they are very sincere, they are very open, they are very plain. You can understand and study and know things for yourself. So it's not something that anybody should tell you that YouTube doesn't pay, YouTube is frustrating. No, like I said in summary, when you're doing the right thing and you're consistent at it, you're serving the right dish, the right meal to your audience, they will definitely patronize you. They will not just patronize you, they will understand you, they will love you, they will appreciate you, and at some point build this level of trust, interest, and love for you in a nutshell, right? And that is what every content creator wants. And thereby you are alongside building a brand for yourself, because at some point you get people, brands contacting you to promote their business, to shout out, to collaborate, or do whatever on that platform. And that is what I know you watching this video actually want, right? And yes, I don't know how best to tell you how you can get your threshold by your watch hour and your views. I don't know how best, but I know that time to time, every tip, updated version of information you need to know and understand in content creation on how to get to your threshold first, because that's the cocoa, the main subject of the whole matter, right? I'm definitely going to, trust me, best believe, release them all out here for you. How I do it personally, how it works for me is what I've shared with you, and I'm going to break it down, maybe definitely in my next video, what next on getting views and your watch hour through optimization. I'm going to show you a practical example or illustration on what the optimization is all about, your analytics. You will get a clear picture and review or view of what I mean definitely in my next episode, because I think we've talked a lot and I don't want this video to be too lengthy, right? And yes, practice this tip, follow this tip, be consistent, do everything that you have heard right here today in this video, and yes, best believe it's definitely going to work, right? And with this, I will say we've come to the end of this video. If you have watched up till now, thank you so much. And if you're yet to like this video, kindly do well by hitting on the like button, hit the subscription button so that you become a part of this family where you grow and grow massively, genuinely, organically, right? So think no further before joining this beautiful, amazing team where we grow, we learn and improve on a daily here on this platform, YouTube. So hit the subscription button, like this video, you can save it to watch later, you can share it so that others will learn and improve as well. Don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button so that the algorithm will know that you did enjoy this video, and it will push it out to more people as well to watch and really appreciate what you are enjoying, right? So keep it safe, keep it blessed out there. If you really did enjoy this video, let me know in the comment section by leaving your comments right there. And if you have any question, anything that is bothering you, you don't understand, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Best believe I will respond to you. I will answer all your questions accordingly. If you have any video idea, anything you want us to talk about or you want me to put out here, let me know as well in the comment section and I will gladly oblige. Keep it safe, keep it blessed out there. Till we come again in my next video, and I will see you when next I will see you. Thank you so much and God bless you. Bye guys.